So you'll be staying in the Studio Deluxe King Room for one night, and you'll be checking out on the 16th of July. Just have to verify the name and fill in your home address, telephone number, and the email.
Okay.
And then sign up with your phone.
Okay.
Thank you. Just some households to go through with you. So right now you'll be staying in the room. So maximum number of people will be 5 person, and then no smoking is allowed. If not, $200 will be fine, and all visitors are required to leave by 10 o'clock. Just need your signature over here. Thank you. So for the room payment has been made already. I'll just have to collect a $300 deposit.
Okay.
Credit card?
Through a debit card?
Debit card check.
Okay.
But it will take a slightly longer time as compared to credit card to be released back to the account.
Oh, okay.
Please press the button for the desired floor. Floor. Going up.
so today we are going to give you a room tour of this room, which is the Studio King room. So over here is the living area, where there's the sink and pantry area, which has the oven. Ding. And below the oven itself, there's a coffee machine by Nespresso, and there's a kettle for boiling water over here. So they do provide cutlery such as your plates, bowls, mug, champagne glasses, drinking glasses, teapot, teacups. Alright, so at the pantry area over here, there's also a fridge right at the bottom. So it's a very pretty large fridge, and they do provide coffee creamer over there. And because this place is available for extended stays, so they do have all these daily necessities over here. Alright, beside the fridge over here, there's a dustbin, which is under the sink, and a fire extinguisher. Yes. So just in case you burn down the kitchen, they got fire extinguisher. So alright, moving on, there's actually storage space over here where they actually place the toaster inside there. And this is actually draggable, so you got extra working space over here with this. Yeah, so you can actually drag this out for extra tabletop. And there's area below for you to place your luggage over there. Alright, so let's move on to the washroom area. So you have a toilet bowl, magnifying glass mirror, a bidet, and toothbrush, and vanity kit, shower kit, shaving kit, comb, and hair cap. Yeah. So they do provide soap bar and body lotion. Yes. So moving on to the shower, which is right behind this door. Yep. So we have a rain shower over here with a shelving for the soaps, which are all over here. The towels, yeah, which is there. Alright, so let's move on to the main bedroom itself, with a very nice view. Yeah. So let's move. Alright, so this is the bedroom area. Over here is the desk, where they have a reading light, which is here, and a tablet and a phone for you to bring out or use in the room, I guess. Then there's some drawers right at the side. And if you're wondering what is this is actually a Bluetooth speaker, which I believe connects to the TV, or you can connect it to your phone. Alright, so moving on to the side, over here is a relax area with a table. You can use this as a dining table, or you can use this as a desk, right beside the window with a great view of someone's house, or the PSA port right over there. So in the far corner over there, it's Sentosa Cove. You can actually see Sentosa Cove from here. And beyond Sentosa Cove is actually Kusu Island. Yeah. So we are actually located right in the central business district of Singapore. And yes, we have a very nice view of the port of Singapore. So yeah. So okay, moving on to the side of the bed, there's actually two plugs over here, and some drawer space Alright, so move on to the other side. There's a USB port, another plug. Yep, the phone, further drawer space. Okay, so in this room itself, it's a king size bed, which is very fluffy. So let's do a jump test. Yes, so it's very fluffy. So, all right, good night. Good morning. And okay, so right beside the bed is the closet area where you got your ironing board, your safe, which I believe can fit in a 13-inch laptop, should be fine. And some drawer space area here with actually a key lock access. Yeah, you can actually lock it if you want to. And there's a hair dryer over here, some laundry bags and a sewing kit over there. Cupboard. We have some bathroom slippers over there, umbrella, some hangers, and 2 bathrobe, which is actually very comfy. Oh my god, this one is. Yeah. Alright, so that concludes the room tour today, and see you next time.